In this video, we're going to go through how you can import an existing floor plan, such as a PDF or a JPEG, and use it as your template. And basically, we're going to trace the Ecdesign walls on top of that template. And this is actually pretty simple. So we're going to start a design. Let's call this test layout 1.1. And then instead of going down here and selecting your project settings, default materials, we're going to click on browse here because we're going to use an image template. And then I'm in my computer and I'm going to get a simple floor plan that I'm going to bring in. So I've selected a PNG file and then I'm going to press new. That will bring up that very simple floor plan that I've imported. And now I'm going to calibrate, and you simply click on the calibrate scale. And then you measure a distance. And the longer distance you measure, the more accurate this will become. So that means I need to know one real measurement. It might be a wall like this or a door. And then you set the scale. So in real life, I know that in this floor plan, that wall will be 24 meters. And then I press OK. And then it automatically adjusts itself. So then I'm ready to start tracing my walls on top of this. So I simply click on Draw Walls. That becomes blue, so that means it's active. And then I can zoom in and start by tracing. And I often use, or always use, a real mouse with a scroll wheel and left and two buttons. Then I can click the right button to pan, like this. And now I'm going to add another wall. So I'm going to click Draw Walls again, start where I want to start, and click. And this will then become a room. At any time I can show and hide the template, just like this, to see what I'm actually building. So as you see, it's pretty simple. And we'll go all the way down there. And we'll do a couple more. And the walls are semi-transparent. So it's easy to place a gap if you want to do that. So let's select the door. And we'll drag out a door. And I'm going to click on it and switch the rotation so it becomes right. Perfect. And of course, you can adjust the dimensions if you want that as well. And let's hide the template. And we can see what I built so far. And we're going to close whenever I'm ready, the template. And we can see it in 3D view as well. So that are the simple steps that you take if you want to import and use an existing floor plan. It's going to save you a ton of time in your design process. Thank you very much.